Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Kindle Read Aloud not working on iPhone. This happens when your iPhone's read and speak feature is disabled, or if your iPhone doesn't support this feature. And here are the step by step fixes if Kindle Read Aloud is not working on your iPhone. First, confirm the book supports Read Aloud. Not all Kindle books allow text to speech due to publisher restrictions. Update the Kindle app. Open the App Store, search the Kindle app, then tap Update. Restart your iPhone. This clears audio and app glitches. Check silent mode. Make sure the ringer switch is not set to silent. Increase volume. Press the volume up button while trying Read Aloud. Turn off Bluetooth via Settings, Bluetooth, then toggle it off. Audio may be routing to another device. Use iOS Speak Screen instead. Via Settings again, Accessibility, Read and Speak, turn Speak Screen on. Open your Kindle book and swipe down with two fingers from the top to start reading. Disable VoiceOver via Settings, Accessibility, VoiceOver, then toggle it off. Can conflict with Kindle. Check language compatibility. Make sure the book language matches your selected voice. Sign out and sign in back into Kindle. Go to Kindle app, tap the More option, Settings, Sign out, then log in again. Lastly, delete and reinstall Kindle app. Let's resort to fix corrupted app files. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.